Hello folks, I went on YouTube a while back to figure out how to open a Jetta hood, and everybody talked about all these doohickeys, sticking a screwdriver here and there, so I thought I would take a moment to show you the simple way. I come here, obviously hit the latch. It made a little sound, but it didn't pop up. No big deal. Go ahead and raise the hood. Notice the little lever typically that comes out allows you to release the hood. It has not extended. So all you do now is you simply stick your hand up there, and release this lever just by moving it this way. So if you watch, put the hood back down in the safety position. Can't get it up. Stick your hand in there, put it directly on that latch. You may have to press down a little bit to release it, and then up it comes. No screwdrivers, no crap, very easy.